In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid the infinity mirror effect in Google Meet. Have you ever found yourself in a meeting where you needed to share your screen, only to be confronted by that endless loop effect that can be distracting and quite unsettling? Well, worry no more. Follow these straightforward steps to keep your Google Meet presentation smooth and professional. To start, head over to Google Calendar. This is where you manage your daily schedule, and it's an efficient way to access any meetings you have planned. Once you're on Google Calendar, find and click on the meeting event you wish to join. Now, this meeting is likely linked to a specific time slot. Make sure you're joining at the correct time to avoid any disruptions or confusion. Upon opening the event, you'll find a Join with Google Meet button. Clicking this will directly take you to the meeting interface, saving you from any additional clicks and ensuring a quick transition into the meeting environment. It's a handy feature designed for seamless access. Now that you're in the Google Meet lobby, you'll see a button that says Join Now. Before you proceed, check if your microphone and camera settings are intact to avoid any awkward moments or delays once you're live in the meeting. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on Join Now. This will launch you into the meeting room where collaboration begins. When you're in the meeting, you might reach a point where you need to share some content from your screen. Google Meet allows this with the Share Screen option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select what you wish to share. This screen sharing option is practical for presentations, tutorials, or anything that demands visual assistance. Here's where the crucial part comes in to avoid the infinity mirror. Select the window option rather than sharing your entire screen. By doing this, you effectively limit what the participants see. Share only the window that contains the information you want to present. This way, you don't risk projecting your screen's reflection onto itself, thereby causing that infinite looping effect. And there you have it. A seamless presentation without the infinite mirror. This approach not only provides clarity to your meeting, but also keeps it neat and distraction-free. It allows your audience to focus on the content, not on the visual distortion. Remember, these meetings are about showcasing your ideas, not creating visual chaos. So next time you have a meeting, these steps will help you expertly navigate Google Meet, ensuring your presentations are clear and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.